Hi friends, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. I am Joytali. Today I am going to show you our cotton saree collections. All these sarees priced at 1950. Those who like to purchase these sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for a regular notification. So let's start. This is our first saree. See, this is a three-color weaving on it. All these sarees are pure cotton saree, and it has a silk texture on it. I will give you the close look of the saree. It has a straight lines texture on the sarees, and the saree is divided into three parts. The first half of the saree is orange, middle panel dual shade of pink and orange shade of middle shade of and the last part of the saree is the dark pink. It's hot pink. This is the three-color panel design all over the saree. This is the full saree look. First, it has a border, a small border both sides. Upper side border is a yellowish border, orange with yellow combination. It's dual shade of color. You get the dual shade of orange and green. And the last half, it has a small pink border on it. This is the whole look of the saree and its pallu. This is three-color beautiful pallu. See, it's a multicolor pallu, very contrast and very eye-catchy color in the pallu. And this is the same blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This saree price is 1950. All these sarees are very pocket-friendly saree. You can use these sarees as your daily wear, your office wear also. This is our first saree. And this is our next saree. It's next saree, and it has the same three-colored panel work all over the saree. First color is yellow, sea green, and this is a mauve color. Very beautiful color combination. Those who like the light shade of sarees, cotton sarees for the summer, you can take it. Very uncommon color combination. It's very smart, elegant also. This is second saree. Both sides have the small border also. This is the pallu. It's panel work pallu. This is the pallu. Very beautiful, smart pallu. And magenta is the blouse piece. It's running. This is the blouse. It's blouse. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot of this one. This is our next saree. See, this is the color divided into three colors. The very beautiful bright colors in this: orange, green and yellow. Orange, green and yellow. The three color panel on the saree. All over the saree going through the same panel work, which I am wearing the black and white saree. It's the same pattern on the saree. And the border have the small border. Both sides have the small border. Different Ganga Yamuna border. There is no artificial, no synthetic material in these sarees. All hand-woven, pure cotton saree. And its pallu. It's very bright colored pallu. See, this is pallu. And blouse is this. This is the blouse color. Blouse has also have the same texture weaving on it. Blouse has also the same texture weaving on it. But it's blouse. And this is the saree. If you like, please take a screenshot of this one. Another color combination. It's very uncommon and very soothing color. It's a pink and a mauve combination. Different shade of orange, pink and mauve color combination. And both sides have the touch of blue. It's light sky blue color. Both side border. Very soothing color. Very soothing color. This is very beautiful color combination. And it has the self texture weaving all over it. This one pallu. It's contrast multicolor pallu. And this one the blouse. The green is the blouse. This is blouse. It's blouse. This is a saree. This is another color combination. It's blue. It's blue with green combination. Its middle color is middle panel is in green. dual shade of blue with green combination. It come up this uncommon color, and both side have the one side have the dark blue and one side have the light blue. See, and it has also the same texture. Its pallu. All the sarees have the very beautiful pallu, contrasting very beautiful pallu, and it has the contrast blouse piece also. This one the blouse. This is the saree look. It's another color combination. It's different shade of pink and green. It's come up with pink and green combination. Color is divided into 3 colors. It's light, and middle part is the dual shade of pink and green, and then the front of the saree is dark pink. This is the saree. Both sides have the small borders. One side pink and one side green border. Actually, the sarees, all the sarees are the dual shade. And if you get the sarees in hand, you can see how is the beautiful color combinations are. This is the pallu and its blouse. All the sarees have the running contrasting blouse piece on it inside the saree, and it has a finished with the pom-pom. It finished with the pom-pom or tassels, whatever you can say. In the finish with the pallu is finished with the tassels. This is the saree look. If you like, please take a screenshot of this one. This is another color combination. This is also very beautiful color combination, very bright also. This color is different shade of yellow, and this is a saree look. All over the saree have the same theme, 3 color border and the 3 color weaving on it. All the sarees have the 3 color weaving on it. See, this is the color combinations. This is the pallu. It's pallu, and the blouse has the contrast in red, and border is nicely weaved with another color. This is the another saree. This is the saree. See, this is another color combination. It's a pink magenta color. It's very vibrant color. Pink with the orange and magenta color combination. 3 color panel on it, and both sides have the different border also. Both sides have the different border also. It has the same texture weaving on it. This is pallu. It's contrast pallu. Okay, and show you the blouse also. This is the blouse. This is the saree look. See, this is the very beautiful color combination. It's a red, orange and maroon color combination. We ladies love these color combinations. See, the 3 color panels, and it has the same texture weaving on it. This is pallu. It's pallu. Okay, and this is blouse. This is blouse. This is the saree look. If you like to purchase, please take a screenshot of the saree. And if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notifications. See, this is another very beautiful color combination of yellow. This is the first half of the saree, and this is the lower part of the saree. Okay, this is the saree look, how it's look like this. It also have the same texture weaving on it. Both sides have the border, a different border, and pallu is like this, contrast color pallu. This is the contrast color pallu, and blouse is also this black. All the sarees are the finished with the pom-pom or tassel finish on the lower side, the pallu. Okay, this is the blouse piece of this saree. This is the saree. The next saree, which I am also wearing, again I am showing you the saree. This is the pallu. It's pallu. It's pallu. I am also like this black and white color combination. It's pallu, and this is the black navy blue, and lower part of the saree is grey. Lower part of the saree is grey. This is the grey. Okay. It's look like this, which I am wearing also. So again I am give you the look, this type of look. Lower part of the saree, it has a small skirt border in the lower side, and upper side is a black and then dark navy blue and then grey. All these sarees look like this, same way. it's going through. If you like the grey saree or black and white saree, you can take this screenshot also, which I am wearing. You can take this screenshot also. This saree price is also same 1950. The color combination is black, navy blue and grey color combination. This is pallu, and blouse is also in grey. This is another color. This is another color, yellow. The middle part of the saree is the sea green color, but it's shade of yellow, and the lower part of the saree is in black with yellow shade. That it's come up with a dark yellow, and the upper side have the golden yellow, and middle part of the saree is sky. It's a sea green type color. Okay, this is the saree look. Both sides have border, have the different color border, and its pallu also different. This is the pallu. Okay, this is the pallu, and blouse is in black. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890781706, and you can get the WhatsApp link in our description box also. Just click the link and you get it directly in our WhatsApp. This is another very beautiful color. It's very dark color also. It's magenta, different shades of magenta and purple. Different shades of magenta and purple. The three color divided into the three panels. It has also the same texture weaving, and both side border are different. One purple, both side border is different. See this saree, how it's look like this, and this is pallu. It's very vibrant pallu, very vibrant pallu. This is the pallu, and the blouse is also in orange. It's very vibrant color. The saree look like very vibrant with the blouse piece. This is the saree. If you like this saree color, please WhatsApp us and take the screenshot of this one. This is another saree. These different shades of green, dark, light green, and it has a self texture, weaving texture on it. Have the same texture weaving on it, and it has a glow. It has a glow on this cotton. It's not a matte look saree, and this is pallu, and blouse is in blue. Blouse is in blue. This is blouse piece. This is the saree look. The saree price is 1950. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is the last saree of this episode. This is the last color combination of this episode. It's come up with black, blue and yellow. It's come up with the black, blue and yellow, three color panel. It also have the same texture weaving on it, and the borders are the different color. Upper side and lower side border, the different colors. Okay, this is our last saree. This is colored, three colored, this is the three color panel on it, and this is the pallu, and its blouse is like this. This blouse like this, and it is all over the saree. All these sarees today I am showing. All these sarees price are 1950, 1950. If you like these sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. That's all for today. If you like our sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilotamahandloom.in, and you can purchase directly from our website also. And if you like our sarees from YouTube, then you can please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. I will come with some new collections very soon, and till keep watching and happy shopping with us. Bye bye.